Ode to the nature. Be it in the thick of the forests or in the serenity of the mountains, the ancient rishis were in great harmony with the nature, contemplating on profound thoughts and ideas for the mankind. It is abundantly evident through their wisdom in Vedas, Upanishads, Ayurveda, and Yoga Shastras. Let's look at animal inspirations. Shashaha, rabbit. Shashankasanam, the rabbit pose. Marjaraha, cat. Marjarasanam, the cat pose. Shva, dog. Urdhvamukha Shvanasanam, upward dog. Adhomukha Shvanasanam, downward dog. Gau, cow. Gomukhasanam, the cow pose. So in this pose, the legs are folded closely and resemble the mouth of the cow, and hence named Gomukhasanam. Markataha, monkey. Markatasanam, the monkey pose. Ushtraha, camel. Ushtrasanam, the camel pose. Ashvaha, horse. Ashvasanchalanasanam, the equestrian pose. Vatayana, another name for horse. Vata means air, wind. Horse, since it travels with a great speed, it is called as Vatayana. In Vatayanasana, one leg is folded and it resembles the mouth of the horse, and hence Vatayanasana, the horse face pose. Simha, lion. Simhasanam. Vyagraha, tiger. Vyagrasanam. Let's look at the bird inspiration. Garudaha, eagle. The Garuda bird flies high in the sky above the clouds, and it is the vehicle of Lord Vishnu. Bakaha, crane. Bakasanam, the crane pose. So the legs are slightly folded like the crane in the Bakasanam. Krauncha, heron. Kraunchasanam, heron pose. So one leg is extended up and the other leg, it is folded, resembles the body of the Krauncha, and the extended leg resembles the tall neck. Kraunchasana is the heron pose. Kapotaha, pigeon. Kapotasanam, pigeon pose. Kukutaha, hen. Kukutasanam. So when Padmasana, when there is a lifting, it resembles a rooster or a hen, and hence called Kukutasanam. Hamsa, swan. Hamsasana. So the extended legs looks like the elegant feathers of the swan. Mayuraha, peacock. Mayurasanam. Think about the snake forking its tongue out, performing a Shitali pranayama, and contemplating in silence. The crocodile breathing in excessive air to keep it afloat. the turtle breathing very slowly and having a long lifespan, in contrast to the rabbit and the dog with rapid breathing and a short lifespan. Not just from the outward appearance, but from the inner mechanics as well, our seers were truly inspired by the animal kingdom. Let's look into the fish, amphibians, and insect family. Mandukaha, frog. Mandukasanam, the frog pose. Kurmaha, tortoise. Kurmasanam, the tortoise pose. Makaraha, crocodile. Makarasanam, the crocodile pose. Bhujangaha, snake. Bhujangasanam, cobra pose. Matsyaha, fish. Matsyasanam, the fish pose. Shalabaha, locust. Shalabasanam, the locust pose. Vrishchikaha, scorpion. Vrishchikasanam. So there are myriads of asanas that we have seen with the animals, birds, fish, amphibians, and insects. A long time ago, sage Gerinda, he mentions to his pupil Chandakapila that there are hundreds and thousands of asanas. The postures are as many as in the number of species in this world. Among them, 84 are the best, and further among them, 32 have been found useful. So after hearing to all the asana names in this category,